Good morning, sister, and my dear students. I am your accountancy teacher, and I hope you and your family members are fine and safe at home. Stay home and stay safe. Dear students, I hope that you have an idea about all other subjects except commerce and accountancy because it is new to you in higher secondary level. But commerce and accountancy are both interrelated subjects. The terms used in commerce are also useful for us in accounting process also. So in the same way, we have many languages for us to write and speak, and it helps us in communication. So for business also, a language is needed for communication. And here the language is said to be accountancy. So in short, we can say accountancy is the language of business. Again, I repeat, accountancy is the language of business. In businesses, there are many activities which involve money and exchange of money. So, in order to record this money related activities, accountancy is needed for us. A book which is written by Chandragupta Maurya's minister Kautilya, that is known as Arthashastra. In India, 23 centuries ago, Chandragupta Maurya's minister Kautilya, he wrote the book Arthashastra. That is, in this book, the references was given. That is, the reference regarding the way of maintaining accounts. So, from this is the source for us. From this, we got all the ideas of maintaining the accounting records. But in the earliest days of civilization, accounting was done by stewards. Stewards is a person who manages all the properties of wealthy person. So by following stewards, we came to an idea how to maintain this accounting records. And this stewards accounting is said to be the root of accounting for us. Stewardship accounting is said to be the root of accounting. And again in 1494, Luca Pacioli, he was an Italian and he developed the double entry system of bookkeeping. That is, double entry system means both debit and credit are to be entered. It is nothing but income and expenses. If there is an income, definitely there will be an expenses also. So both the income and expenses are to be entered. That is known as double entry system of bookkeeping. And this double entry system was given to us by Luca Pacioli, and he was an Italian. Next, this accounting gives information regarding the resources available. Here, resources means not the natural resources. Here, money is said to be the resources in accounting. So, by this accounting, we can come to know the resource available with us. That is the value of money with us. And next, the available resources have been employed. That is how we are going to make use of this money, where we are going to employ this money. And the third one is the results achieved by their use. By making use of this money, what is the result we have achieved? So, to know all these informations, accounting is needed for us. The next is the persons who need accounting information. It is divided into two. The first one is internal users. Who are all the internal users? The person within the companies, within the organization or within the business. The first one is owners, the owner of the business. The second person is the management, and the third one is employees. These are all the internal users who are in need of accounting information. The next person is external users. Who are all the external users? Outside the business. That is the investor. Who are the investors? We are the investors. If we are going to invest in the business or in the shares, then we are said to be the investor of the business. The second person is customer. If a person buys goods from us, he is said to be the customer. The third person is tax authorities. That is, we have to pay the taxes. So, all the persons who are related to taxes are known as tax authorities. Then the fourth person is government. We all are under the government, so government is important for accounting, and accounting is also needed for governments also. And then the researchers. Even though they undergo any research process, accounting helps them to record the money related activities, how much they have spent for their resources or for their researches. So, to record all the money related activities, accounting is needed for research person also. Then the general public. All the public persons in their day to day life, they are using accounting. So, these are all the external users who are in need of accounting in their daily life process. So, in today's class, we discussed about the root of accounting, then the double entry system of bookkeeping, that is debit as well as credit entry. Next, the accounting information, and next, the users of accounting information. Who are all the users? The internal users and the external users. Thank you, children.